craft. Today we're going to do Stone Age paint. Okay, so this is going to be very funny, but messy. Okay, so first here's what you're going to use, or what you need. So first you need a piece of craft paper and washable paint. So brown paint, black washable paint, and red washable paint. You will also need sponges, a brush, and stencil. So don't hesitate to print as many as you need. So you can maybe print 3 horses, 3 mammoths, or you can also stick them on a piece of thick paper or plastic. First, let's choose the material. What do you want to use? Do you want to use the sponges, the brush, or your fingers? What do you want to use?
I want to use my fingers.
Fingers, yes. What do you want to use?
I want to use the sponge.
Okay, great. So you have your fingers, you have your sponges. Okay, let's put our finger on the stencil. Okay, put your... Oh, sleeves up first. Sleeves up, yes. Repeat, sleeves up.
Sleeves up.
Good. Okay, let's go. So put your finger on the stencil. Okay, and now you can take your paint. Okay. What color is this?
This is brown.
Good. Okay. Let's take your paint. Okay. What color is this?
Red.
Good. Okay, so you have your paint, and now you can color around, okay? Around, yeah, color around the horse. Okay.
Color around the horse. Color around the horse. Color around the horse. Color around the horse.
Wow.
Color around the horse.
Color around the mammoth.
Color around the horse.
Yeah.
Color around the horse.
Wow. Okay, Crystals, you can take the stencil. Okay, you can take it off. Yes. Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful mammoths. Wow. Okay. Great. Okay, you can take the stencil off. Take it off. Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful horse.
Mm.
Okay. Once you're done with the stencil, you can do it with your hand. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put paint around our hands. Okay, this is your hand. Repeat.
This is
Your hand.
Your hand.
My hand.
My hand. This is my hand.
My hand.
This is my hand.
Okay, great. So you can put your hand on the piece of paper. Yeah, we're going to move the stencil. Okay, and you can take the paint. Okay, what color is this? Remember?
This is red.
Yeah, great. Okay, what color is this?
This is marron.
Brown. Repeat.
Brown.
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 Great. Okay, so put your hand, next. Okay, and you can put your paint around, okay? Color around the hand.
Color around the hand.
Yeah.
Color around the hand. Color around the hand. Color around the hand.
Wow, this is nice.
Color around the hand.
Color around the hand. Constance, color around the hand. Yeah.
Color around the hand.
Okay.
Color around the hand. I got.
Okay. I think you can take your hand off. Wow. This is beautiful. Okay. And okay. What about you? Take it off. Wow.
It's a big hand.
It's a big hand. Yes. Wow. Great job, guys. Okay. Now that you're done, let's clean up. Okay. You can stand up. Okay. Clean up. Clean up. Everybody clean. And let's wash our hands. Okay.